Girl on her phone asks, "Why can't I sleep?" Mom enters the room and says, "Put down that phone. You can't sleep because of the blue light." Girl asks, "What's blue light? You say to put down my phone, but does it really matter?" Mom explains, blue light is visible light between 380 and 500 nanometers with the highest energy and shortest wavelength. It makes up about a third of all visible light. Mom explains that blue light interferes with your circadian rhythm by suppressing melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep. It signals your body to stay alert. Girl asks, "What can I do to prevent this during the day, Mom?" Mom replies, "You can buy blue light glasses that reduce blue light reaching your eyes." Mom explains, these glasses filter blue light between 415 and 455 nanometers, reducing eye strain and improving sleep quality. Girl says, "I'm feeling sleepy now. I'll try putting my phone down for a few days to see if it helps." Mom says, "Good night, my daughter.